Muted. Alright guys, I'm back. I'm live and my audio is working. Yay!
I want to see
I'm so dead.
if we can take you to. Is it here? Yeah. I have 69 friends.
I'm so proud of you. Okay, are you still in the Cosmodrome?
Yeah, we're still in the Cosmic Drone.
Okay.
Let me look at your setup really quick. You have really low mobility, really low resilience, but your discipline is really high.
That's not good.
Not super high, but you'll get up to where you need to be.
Oh god, my foot's falling asleep again.
But you,
Okay.
or we should probably get you some better gear.
Hey man, gear is gear, you know? Life could be a dream, but it's not.
If we did gear, then we'd probably be like very jacked right now.
Yeah. Here, do you want to join my fire team or you, other way around?
Join mine.
Okay, because I got shot by my computer. Where you at? There we go. There we go. It's only letting me invite you. Am I already a part of it?
Check your invites.
Invites. Oh god, oh god. My foot's like falling asleep.
There we go, I sent you another one. Alright, let me see if we're able to actually do this one.
Alright.
Ah, no, you need the 30th anniversary. Never mind. Ow. Okay, so let's go like this, and let's give you fire team leader. And then we can do your missions.
What's up? I'm back. I got deleted from the universe for a bit.
So let's go over here. Zimzam, if you can hear me. I'll introduce you to Zimzam.
Hi Zimzam.
Trying to fight for Come on up. Come on over. Did I always say this? Zimzam, come on over here. There you are. Alright. So this is Zimzam.
Hello.
This, as you can see, Zimzam is a very... I don't fear many people in Destiny because I'm
Oh god.
really strong, but this person in like this individual in general, they scare me. Especially when actually wait, maybe I could beat them to the punchline before the latency reveals my plan to them. Oh no, I gotta go to my vault. Where's my egret? Dude, no, wait, I gotta go to my vault. No. Oh, no.
Get him.
He knows. He knows.
You know. You know. Oh, I died.
I gotta go.
I tried to do the same stunt as him. I tried to follow him off a cliff.
So you remember what I did with my sword? I rammed you into a wall and you blew up and died.
Yeah?
Zimzam does that to me, but Zimzam is very, very good at it. Like he'll do it in very, very like when you least expect it.
Yeah, yeah.
Anyway, what's your next objective?
Always, I don't fucking know. How am I supposed to know?
Go to quests.
Make me.
I got a lot of these.
Guardian Rises, complete strike, the disgrace, blah blah blah. Fine, track. I need to go to this place? I could be wrong. Says I have to go to this the disgraced thing.
Okay, let's go.
Okay. You know.
By the way, if you're still watching Zimzam, Cruciplex is a very rare sight indeed for Destiny 2. A new light. We don't see a lot of those people.
I started recently.
Yeah, you started actually just yesterday. You
Yes.
have a couple save files, but you only went past like the first part of the campaign.
Yeah. Like I got to the point where you got like what's his thing? You guys' ships are cooler than mine. You're mean.
Oh no, this is not.
It's okay.
wait.
It's fine.
Can you see this? Hi.
Yeah.
Hi. How are you? Can you see that?
I say go to settings.
It doesn't say to fire team. Hi. How are you? On the bottom right.
Oh yeah, I see that.
You can see the text chat.
Yeah.
On PlayStation?
Yeah.
Ow.
Because I can still use the chat. It's just really annoying because I have to like pull up the PlayStation keyboard to type. So I'm.
Okay, so you can't see.
Yeah.
She'll be desperate for victory to regain her footing. That desperation makes her a threat.
I still can't get over the fact that Zimzam's ship looks like a fucking Uber.
Wait, so what's Zimzam?
Their final deaths fighting Navota. That can't be for nothing.
So a long time ago, in a galaxy far, far away, when I first started playing the.
No, I meant like what class?
Steady.
Oh,
I know how those
he's a
nerves
Titan.
feel.
Oh
Pack it
god.
away, eyes down the sights.
Zimzam would always play Hunter with me, so he would always have a Hunter. But God damn it! I walk away for 1 second and you're already bubbling the hell out of this place. What the hell?
Jesus.
Yeah, Titans are scary.
Teamwork makes the dream work, guys.
Well, mostly Zimzam. No, there's no teamwork. There's only Zimzam.
Only Zimzam. Hey guys, y'all are the ones with the unfair advantage. I'm literally like a noob trying to keep up with you guys obliterating entire rooms at once.
I'm telling you, this is freaky. Shoot. So the cool part about this is whenever you enter into a mission, besides the elemental weapons that we have, our power level is based on par with yours.
Oh, that's cool. Also, sorry guys. How did you get up here before me?
Huh? I waited for the door to open.
Oh, I ran the other way. Okay, this is really fun.
Oh yeah. I'm fighting a shrieker and all I see is a giant purple bubble fly all the way towards
I have died. I'm alive.
Like oh yeah, also Zimzam is my clan leader for Destiny.
Then what?
I'm part of a clan in Destiny called the Zombie Factory.
I gotta turn my game volume down because I can barely hear what you're saying. I will next time we get a break.
Oh man.
I'm reading dense hive signatures in a facility up ahead.
Devota is gathering the swarm.
We might be walking into a trap.
That's the gig. We carry the light where no one else can.
Don't call me a new light. This runs so
Being a
quick.
new light's awesome because you get to grow stronger through training.
I don't like doing training.
Zim Zam, put that orb down. Don't do it, Zim Zam. You better put that orb down. There we go. This way.
Kill.
No, 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 you don't.
I like the sword. I don't know, you guys keep walking in other directions. I don't know where we're going.
So
I
we have
burned
a
out the rest of
Titan,
Devota's
a
hiding
hunter,
spots. She's got
and
nowhere to
another
run.
Titan. Two Titans, one hunter.
Well-crafted snare. Just
I
do
could be
my
a
part.
warlock if you want.
It's in your hands now, Guardian.
What level is your warlock?
I don't know.
All right, take her down.
Shit. I'm stuck.
Can we do it? Can we do it? Can we do it?
Yep. Come on, come on. I need a new gun. This one's kind of shit.
Wait, did we do it? We just killed the Voda.
Yeah. Yeah.
Wait, what?
There's more smaller ones hanging around. It's fine.
We just killed the Voda, right?
Yeah.
In the hallway. We just,
Yeah.
This is where we're supposed to actually fight Navota. Navota.
I'm pretty sure we killed her, or unless she like last minute left. Oh. Well, I guess she's back. Resurrected? I don't know.
Probably.
I don't know about witch science. What do you take me for? A witch? You think I'm a witch, Alex? Do I look like one of the Olsen sisters? That's a really good joke if you know your actors.
I don't know the Olsen sisters. Oh, Blade left.
The Olsen sister. Okay, so the Olsen twins are the. They both play the youngest kid from Full House. And then, thing is, they're twins, but they have a third sister, and she plays Wanda from Marvel. So I was making a Scarlet Witch reference, and the headphone just popped out, so I can't hear anything. Now I can.
Ah, I see.
God, this gun sucks. It reloads way too much and way too slowly for what it is. I punched a witch. I feel good about it. About to die, though. Hey.
Up here? Is this right? I think this is it. I'm coming!
Whew, that's fun. Where'd the witch girl go?
Oh, we gotta beat these two.
Ooh. There she is. Shoot. Ah. Less than that.
Oh, are you? Oh, he's using business. The business room. Come here. 79,000. That's not as much as I'm normally used to doing. Come on. 63,000. Got it.
Ooh. That was fun.
Gotcha.
Behind you. Oh god. I got shot in the face hole. Shoot. And we're holding revive. I don't know why it's not reviving. There we
Yeah, I was out of sword ammo, but I was not out of options.
go. Oh.
Yes. Maeve. They can rest easier now, thanks to
And
you.
now he beat Navota.
Couldn't have done it without you, Shaw.
Well, maybe. Don't sell yourself short. I see a spark in you, Guardian.
That's
Make
fun.
sure you keep it safe. Don't let it get to your head,
Ow.
okay? This is only the beginning of your story. Excellent work. Return to the tower.
Now I knit a scarf.
You knit a scarf.
Yep.
So where do we go now?
Oh, Zimzam's gonna go grab his warlock. and then we go on to your next mission.
Alright.
Oh, what the fuck? You got more kills. Oh wait, what are you?
Of course, I have the least amount of kills. Of course, that's beautiful. It's
Oh, I
fine.
forgot. This isn't leaderboard style. This is Destiny 2 style.
Whatever. I tried, man. I tried. These y'all knew where you were going. I got lost half the time. It's like the fuck.
We can do. So we're gonna do a. So there's a fun little thing we do with new lights. Is like the first couple missions we blow everything up to like sky high, and then what we do after that is we can. Oh look, we have everybody. We have the Titan, the Hunter, and the Warlock. Oh, that's
Yeah. One sec. I'm just trying to
Yes.
upgrade my armor right now.
cool. Oh yeah.
That's
The
fine.
next thing we can do is we can. Zimzam and I can put a handicap on ourselves, and we can put like, let's say. What can we do? We could say we could do like our weakest armor set.
You guys don't
Yeah,
have to
we
make
can-
yourself weaker for me. It's all good. Don't worry about it.
This is stuff we do with new lights.
Yeah.
So I'm going to try to.
It says this one does a lot of I don't like that gun. It's fine. Yes.
I'm gonna keep my armor set the same, but I'm gonna use some really underlight weapons. Take us to the tower. You have the chance.
Sorry, I'm going through my stuff right now. What tower?
Yeah.
Where's that? Oh,
Press down.
yeah, gotcha, gotcha.
How low do you go? Let's see. We could probably. We probably don't have to change our armor stats, but we can probably change our weapon stats. I'm gonna go into my armory and get like some level 13, 15.
Yeah.
I'm gonna see how. That's gonna put me under light, but at least we'll be around the same light level as him. I look like I just went to a ski resort.
I gotta figure out how to update my powers or upgrade them. I mean. Interesting. Anyway, back to freaking okay, so traffic. I'm just kidding. Hey yo, dude.
What?
Nothing. One sec.
Guardian, this is Mithrax, and I require your assistance.
Alright, what you gotta do?
Oh. I got a little gift box. Oh, and I got a little emblem too. That's nice.
Alex, what you gotta do is you gotta find this cliff and you gotta go.
I can't see anything.
Oh, that's fair. Why am I only a level 2? Did all that. I killed like 12 witches.
That's only the your head's gone.
My head's gone?
Yeah, your head's gone.
Wait, what do you mean?
The tower does this thing sometimes where your head just kind of disappears.
Because for me, I saw my head, so like, am I only torso? wait, what happened? I don't.
Yeah, just no head, and the drifter's here with us. for
So
some
wait, so
reason.
no head?
Why is the drifter here? So no head. So no head?
Am I back? Is it back?
No. I
Okay.
don't think you can.
Well, you know, sometimes
It
life
glitches
happens.
out sometimes, so...
Yeah. God, my spine hurts.
I think I have something you will like. Let's find out.
Here, hold up.
Oh, I'm gonna grab the Kvostov, the 7G, the first weapon that you get in the game. I'm gonna grab that, as well as I'm also gonna use...
Okay. I'm back.
Okay, where do all my stuff is still under level because I haven't touched this for a while.
So like,
Oh,
can
yeah,
you
I have
upgrade
1,000.
armor and stuff, or like, what's the deal?
Yeah. So are you watching my stream?
No.
Okay.
Should I?
Probably not, because that'll take your bandwidth or something. But
No, life happens. All right, I'm just gonna go down this hole and see where it goes. Wait, why do I have a list of things I have to go do? Oh, I have to go talk to Baldy Basics over there. No, not again. I almost killed myself again.
Thanks for your service, Guardian.
there we go.
Awesome.
Now I look like Spider-Man.
Good to have you back.
Okay. When you so if you want to upgrade your armor, let's
Yeah.
say
What's
your
the
chest piece. Go to the one that you have equipped.
Watch out.
Thing is, all mine's kind of different brands of stuff. It's just whatever's strongest.
Yeah. So go into the whatever you have is strongest, and go
Yeah.
into the details.
Yeah.
Mine's loading. Give me a sec.
I got armor mods.
I can't see it. I can't see it. Oh, there we go. So your energy.
Hmm.
Whatever you have that's the strongest, you go to your energy and you upgrade that to the max as much as you can. And then if you go down to the bottom left where it says
My wife is
infuse,
joining the fleet.
underneath armor mods, there's one that says infuse.
Wait, how do you upgrade it though?
That's how you do it. You infuse whatever armor piece that you have is higher level.
Infuse. I don't got no infuse. Oh, whatever. It's fine. Alright.
So whatever has the better stats on an armor piece, you can infuse it and you can get better armor stats. Not better armor stats, but more light level.
Okay.
That's really bad.
So you got the you got the Fortnite helmet piece.
Infuse.
Because I remember Fortnite teamed with Bungie, and so there's a bunch of Fortnite armor pieces in the Eververse shop. So Cruciplex has the first version. Like he doesn't have any of the DLC, so we can find. We're gonna need to find something. There's a bunch of stuff we can do with just the base game as well.
Otis encryption methodology sometimes contain the greatest treasures, and sometimes, well, not.
Oh, there we go.
Okay, I just don't have the supplies for it, that's why.
Don't think that's gonna fly.
Snap load finisher distribution. Oh, I see. Okay, I'm stupid. Alright, that's fine. Okay. What?
I just saw Zoom Jam pushing off the edge of the... Oh, man. Where's your phone?
There we go, that's better.
There is a thing in here that I remember you can do. Oh, look, there's the cat!
Dude, I don't know where he went. I'm following this guy somewhere.
Oh. Alright, now we gotta... So what you gotta do next is you gotta press tab. Not tab. God damn it, you're on
Yeah,
controller.
I don't know what that means.
Bring up your ghost and go to director and look into... Go to quests and see what you have to do next.
I gotta eat some at. Alright, like the main one? Because I got a yellow one, I got a blue one, and I got a... Okay, I got return to... Okay, is the yellow one the story one or the blue one?
The blue one is the story one, I believe.
Okay.
Got 92 impact, but this gun is called pure poetry.
Okay, because the one I have tracked is the yellow one, so I'm gonna go with the yellow one. I have to go talk to... Oh, I fell off a cliff again. I have to go talk to somebody here, and then... Hold up. Magic map, show me where to go. I'm currently, like, hanging off the side of a building, so... So Alex, how's your day going?
Yeah, pretty shitty. I went through this morning. I went to go get some supplement for myself, and then went to the mall, whereas a bunch of people did not know how to drive. So I got angry and I yelled at them and I threw some stuff at them. But you know,
No, you didn't.
But still, people don't know how to drive.
Disprove
So
the
if
theory.
come around,
It didn't happen.
The freaking
It didn't
holidays
happen.
come around and people forget how to drive.
Alex,
and
what do you
they
mean?
just-
People are experts on how to drive.
Not in California, they're not. They suck.
Quickly, friend.
Well, I live in Nevada, so...
That's very much not true, because you just said that you were with me.
You can't prove that. Can't prove that in no court of law.
Not true.
Can't prove that in no court of law. Ain't no jury gonna believe that. I live in Missouri.
Even I don't believe that.
I live in Missouri.
You live in Missouri.
I live in Missouri.
Is that right?
Yeah.
That's crazy.
Man, I just,
Oh, this one looks pretty
I don't know, it's having me go around talking to people. I'm running around trying to talk to people. It's my worst
good. Oh
nightmare.
yeah, you're introducing yourself to everyone.
I already did that though. I don't get why they're like giving me things now.
Exactly.
No, but I already got the sword. What's the point? Stop talking to me. I don't want to talk to you.
Chosen one. Slay any hive gods lately?
I don't. Okay, that's a quest, I guess.
Hey. Don't talk about Gambit out there.
Okay, that one's still.
Does this guy look like the Witcher from that one game?
What's the name of the game? Yeah. The Witcher from that one game, The Witcher. No, as opposed to the game The Witcher 3.
As opposed to the game The Witcher 3, we can't forget The Witcher 2
Okay,
as well.
I don't get where it wants me.
Where are you?
No. I'm in the basement.
What's up? What are you wearing?
What? My armor. I changed its color
Yeah,
so
that's right.
so it was aesthetically correct because it was angering me.
I need to go talk to Ada. And then let me know when you're done, and then we can go fight some shit.
I don't know. My waypointer isn't showing me where to go, so I'm gonna go.
Oh.
So I assume I did everything correctly.
I believe so.
Alright, let me read. Find Derverim K.
Devil K.
I don't know who or what that is.
I completely forgot who that was. It's been a while since I played.
Dervium and then That's Lord Shakes.
Of the tower attack.
Oh, you have to find Devil at the church on EDZ.
There's a church?
Yeah. So when you press select and you go to map, or not map,
Map, yeah.
you go to destinations. In the bottom left on Earth is the Europa Dead Zone, the EDZ.
Oh, I see. Oh, yeah. Okay, I remember that now.
And then you go to Trostland in the bottom.
Alright, you ready?
Yeah. Let's
Here we go.
more ready than you will ever be in your lifetime. Can I get the guardian? I'm luck. I'm a guardian. I can't die. My ghost.
I want a ghost.
You have a ghost.
No, I want two for insurance. I want two for insurance reasons. Give me yours.
I think Drifter's ghost is a culmination of like the outer shells of other ghosts.
Hey man, you know, sometimes ghosts be ghosting people, and there's got no ghost.
There is one ghost. I think in the lore there's a ghost that their guardian died and they refused to resurrect them.
Why?
Something about them being bad.
That's sad.
And then there was another one that the guardian was dying because they were in a place that kept killing them, and the ghost kept resurrecting them just to make them feel pain. Oh, we're
That's
out of the
sad.
area, but we can ride our sparrows to the right area. We're gonna go on an adventure.
Oh, I did the wrong. Oh shoot, hold on.
We're going on an adventure.
No, it told me this was the right area. No.
We're going on an adventure. Come on, let's go, buddy.
Wait, where are we going?
We're going on an adventure.
This is the right area. Okay.
Oh, this is definitely not the right area.
It said this is the area.
Oh yeah, we're going this way.
Oh, I'm getting shot at.
You get to ride our sparrows. That's how great this is.
You mean your wonky one?
The one that's faster than yours?
The one that does 360s out of nowhere?
Oh no, I do that on purpose.
Blade's already there, because Blade's mean.
Yeah. Once you get an exotic sparrow, they're faster than the regular sparrows.
That's fair.
Because you get your sparrows that goes 140, ours goes I think 160.
Yeah, but mine's reliable.
But I just caught. Look, I'm like right behind you.
No, you're not.
I'm fast.
No, you're not.
Of course I am.
No, you're not. I don't see you. You're not here.
A glimmer mining
We
group.
got this. We gotta
Shut
catch up
them
to you.
down.
Welcome, church. I like churches. They're scary. I wonder what I should eat for dinner tonight.
Pizza.
No, I already have pizza. I was gonna get pizza with you, but then you canceled.
Yeah, I did.
Mean.
Look at us. Just a couple of
hello.
NPCs.
God, I always forget which one it is.
Anyway,
Approach.
Come now.
I like how
Speak your
Devlin
mind.
K is like the only person that,
Looks like a person.
yeah.
Yeah, he's just like, I'm tired of all this bullshit. I just want to not die.
He looks like somebody from like the first couple days. Like, he looks like a modern day person.
No, he looks like Rick from Walk. He looks like he's been living out Walking Dead on this planet. He's just like, what the hell?
Exactly. His gun's made of wood.
See you soon.
Like, we got laser tech, and he's like, I got this rifle I found.
We got swords from a magical floating leviathan.
I give up my sword for this gun.
Anyway.
Come now. Speak your mind.
Anyway, what are we doing now? I was
You
not
just
paying-
talked to Devlin, right?
I already talked to him. Now we go shoot
Oh, wait.
things.
Wait, I gotta check this out. Wait, did you surpass me?
What?
I feel like it's been a while since I checked Blade's the kill count on his sword. Oh my god! Oh my god!
What?
He's at 21,000!
Jesus.
21,000. What am I at? Only 6,000.
To
Yeah,
those in the
no,
field,
you've far
The
surpassed
catch is
me
on its way.
in the amount of kills.
I'm not
with
sure
that
what it's
weapon.
up
That
to,
is
but I doubt it's good.
considerably scary. But mine has killed many scary people.
Are you guys with me? No? Okay.
Nope.
If I die, I die.
I'm on my way.
I'm in the crevice of the earth.
Zam Zam and I have the same engine.
Oh, this gun's so much better. Oh, thanks, Jeebus. That's fun. Ah, space gypsies. Come here. You ever think how scary this must be for the people on the the enemy side? Like, you have essentially undead, like, light wielding monsters that just pop up and just like kill entire hordes single-handedly that have no level cap.
Where are... How'd you get down there?
What?
How'd you get down there?
The cave system. I'm leaving now. I already cleared it.
Oh, the lost sector. Oh, you have to do all 3 lost sectors. I forgot.
Cause there's a Scooby Doo. He's coming after you.
So we go.
Whoa, whoa, okay, not that direction, not that direction then, I understand. Jeez. It got so mad at me.
Um. Oh, you got it.
That's annoying. I like how this church has so many holes in it, but like the actual side door just doesn't open.
Are you back at the church?
Yeah.
So
Let's
far
do a
from
mission.
them. And then you have, like, I think you have the other mission as well.
Oh god. Okay. Ah, god, I wish you had more control to jump.
Kicking the old ball around the farm. Smell the early morning dew as you run across the field.
Do you like my gun?
Always nice to see a familiar face.
Kind of looks familiar, huh? Like the first gun that we
Come
get in
now.
the game.
Speak your mind.
I'm sorry, not really. I'm watching you.
What? Oh, you have the Mask of Bacchus on. God damn it. I really want that mask.
Stay low and move quietly.
Stay quietly and move low.
Yeah, that's the Mask of Bacchus, yeah. Wait a minute. Hold on. I can do this.
Wait, it doesn't say where I'm going.
Oh, I don't have it equipped. Never mind.
It didn't tell me where to go this time. Darn. The hell? Dude, give me stuff.
Be careful out
Wait,
there.
what?
I don't know, he's not. I got bounties, but he's not giving me any more missions.
Check your quests. See where what your main objective is at the moment.
Risk and reward. That one's the Cosmodrome. Oh, I need to go back to the Cosmodrome.
Oh,
Okay, that's my bad. That's why I was like,
let's go to the Cosmodrome.
we're going, we're going,
Let's go fight some stuff in the Cosmodrome.
we're going. Oh, it's. Oh. I understand.
Complete Rumble matches and earn Crucible rank points by completing matches in any Crucible game mode.
Crucible, but that's my name.
Yeah, you wanna fight in the Crucible?
Not really. No, that place scares me.
Crucible.
Plus, it's like Inception if I go in there, or it's like a paradox, so I actually can't. It's not safe for me.
You enter the Crucible and everybody in the Crucible dies.
Yeah, everyone that goes inside me dies too.
Anyway, yes. Yeah, the place we're going is interesting if you ask me.
Anyway, what was I saying? I made that joke, the Crucible joke, like 5 times last night. Also, shout out to my one viewer, whoever that is. I don't know who you are, but I appreciate you.
Never get used to that.
Where am I going?
You started the mission.
Yes.
Oh, is this a Vanguard out? No, it might be.
Scooby-Doo, where are you? Da-da-da-da. Yo, Alex, want to hear a joke?
Yeah, what is it?
I don't remember.
That's funny. That's real funny.
Oh, wait, no, I gotta go one. I gotta go one. Oh, actually, no, never mind. It's not funny now.
Glad to see that superconductor is being put
Give
to
it
use.
another decade, then I can start
I'll
joking
leave
about
you
it.
to it, but get in over your head? Call me. I still owe you a rescue or two. Shaw, over and out.
We're hunting dust captains. Kill the mechanics to draw them out.
What are we doing?
We're hunting dust mechanics.
Nice. Oh, this guy's cute. I forget. I know there's a specific way how to kill these from the first one I did, but I forget how to.
Gotta break the legs.
Oh, okay. You guys already kind of okay. Jesus.
The one
God.
So when I say Zinzam is terrifying, that's what I mean by terrifying.
Yeah, I still don't know how to activate my shield.
Oh yeah,
I gotta-
Zinzam, how do you activate your shield on a Titan?
I don't know. Thing is, I don't know. It's on a controller. I could probably just go into like settings and see what the controls are. But that seems like a lot of effort. Oh, I missed the shotgun.
Oh, the top right. Oh, I died. I got squished.
Revive. Oh, okay, but Zimzam reviving you kind of accidentally despawned the enemy because he was right on top of you. So in a way,
This is what I mean when Zimzam is here.
Zimzam is a danger to society and needs to be put down.
Dust
What? Oh, what are you? I found a big purple ball. I don't know if that's helpful. Also, my screen share is about to lag, so. Ooh.
Where?
Oh no.
Where?
Well, there goes my stream's
Well,
dead
there goes
again. God damn it.
Oh, we got him.
Yeah, I got
Destroy
the
the dust walker? Oh.
yeah, I got the one over here. Oh, I got new pants. Okay. Well, that's interesting. All right, my screen share died again.
It did?
Yeah. I think I'm gonna get off.
Uh-oh.
I'm sorry. I gotta go help my family with some more stuff. All right. So, thanks for watching all that. Blah 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 blah. Have a good one.